2.
First number 2 daw.
That's it. Don't touch the
Ah.
brake.
Okay, so ano ni siya? Yan, umakyat na tayo guys. Para tayong nasa mall nito. Ayan siya oh. Yan si Mr. Berman. Yan. Grabe. Mga balay, so baka gusto nyo nga makontak ako, i-send ano lang kamo, message lang kamo sa akon. Yan. Yan. Your name is Mr. Larry?
Yes.
Mr. Larry Berman. So, yan. Sa kanya bahay to guys. Ayan. Yan guys, oh. Part pa ng isang balay. Nasa higad-gid din siya sang baybay. Ara, oh, kita niyo. Na. So, ayan si Mr. Larry. Mr. Larry Berman. Iyan na di balay. Basi gusto nyo guys, kontakon nyo lang ako kung ano. Ang presyo niya negotiable man ah. Okay guys, so lantawan nyo. Nice. Yan guys, lantawan nyo guys oh, ang bar room niya oh. Oh, this is third floor. Third floor now. See, look. Napakaganda. Grabe. Tingnan nyo guys, overlooking dagat oh. Oh. Yun.
See the one over there is Gimmers. See the island?
Yeah.
It's a little foggy now, but that's Gimmers.
Yes, yes. See? Oh. Look. Oh my goodness. It's too high. I'm scared the height. The high.
No problem. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
look guys.
We won't fall into the ocean.
Guys, tingnan nyo oh, na
That's why.
Oh.
Look at that view.
oh. Wow. You can make
Solar.
basketball here.
That's solar.
Ah, that's solar.
Uh-huh.
So your house is generated solar.
Most of it, my bill's very low.
Yeah.
Under 200 or less a month.
So guys, this is solar oh, may solar sila. Natawan nyo bala guys, amo ning balay, amo ning ginabaligya nila. Natawan nyo ang view. Sa Butong, Barangay Butong, Uton, Iloilo. Muna siya guys. Itong ano. Yan. Sa higad gini sa kabaybay, may table pa. Oh, yun. Yan si Mr. Larry. Yeah.
View is worth $1 million right there.
Very nice. Natawan nyo guys. Oh. Overlooking ang dagat. Nice. Guys, this maybe kung gusto nyo nga malantaw ini nga balay, contact lang kamo sa akon. Ay ihatag ko sa inyo details. No, Mr. Larry? If somebody like to see your house,
Just call my wife.
yeah. And contact me and then I will give you to Mr. Larry contact or details. Okay,
And
guys?
we'll give you the tour.
Yeah. Oh, nag-video. Okay, guys, nag-video. So, guys, sa kay Mr. Larry Berman Residence sa Kusubong.
This is the owner.
Amo niya ang wife niya and the husband. The same owner, husband and wife. Okay, guys? So, invite nyo
Hi!
ang family. Family na lang.
Hi, family Santina.
Yan. Okay? So, guys, kung gusto nyo nga ma-reach out si ma'am, message ka mo sa akon about sa balay nga ginpakita ko bala for balay. So, basi gusto nyo, pwede gid, no?
Oo.
Sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
Pwede sila check. No?
Overnight, but for family, it's okay.
Overnight. Okay. So, maybe next time makabakasyon kami din dito.
Okay, no
As long as
problem.
it's not 100 people at a time.
Sorry.
As long as there's not 100 people at a time.
Yeah. Okay. So, thank you for watching, guys. And please follow, like, and share. Halong ang tanan. Bye-bye.